Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to create wavy nail art with a beautiful flowing pattern. This design, which is currently popular in Japan, creates a wavy pattern by intentionally leaving brush marks on the surface of the nail. It is not possible to create this type of pattern with ordinary gel, but if you use a special gel, you can complete it just by stroking it. I will explain in detail what type of gel should be used to draw wavy patterns and what colors are suitable for the base color, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. I'll be using nail tips this time, but if you're applying it directly to your natural nails, start with nail care, lightly file a surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. First, apply your favorite magnetic gel. In this case, we will apply this purple magnetic gel to the entire nail. When making these wavy nails, I recommend applying magnetic gel as a base color or a translucent color that will show through your own nails. Also, rubbing Aurora Powder after the color gel makes the wavy pattern on the surface look more beautiful and shiny, so a combination of these two is especially recommended. When you have finished applying the entire surface, prepare a magnet to make it sparkle. Slowly approach the magnet from the outside of the nail, and when it reaches next to the nail, twist it inward to bring the sparkling particles in the left side. Apply the magnet from top, bottom, left and right in the same manner to make the entire nail sparkle. When the entire nail is sparkling, cure the nail as it is. Originally, 2 coats of color gel is the basic method, but in this case, I want to leave a translucent effect, so 1 coat is okay. Next, we want to rub on Aurora Powder. So first, apply a non-wipe top coat to the entire nail. If you are going to use Aurora Powder, mirror powder, or any other powder, be sure to apply a non-wipe top coat and cure it before rubbing it on. After the entire nail is coated, cure. Next, rub on the Aurora Powder. In this case, we will use this orange shining powder. Take the powder on a silicone tip and rub it evenly over the entire nail. After rubbing it all over the nails, brush off the excess powder with a soft brush. Next, coat the nails with clear gel to seal in the Aurora Powder. You can use base coat here, or base and top, etc. Anyway, use a clear gel that leaves uncured gel after curing. Leaving some uncured gel behind will ensure better adhesion for the next gel you apply. After the entire nail is coated, cure. Finally, let's make a wavy pattern on the nail surface. Here is the gel to be used. This is a non-wipe type clear art gel. Unlike other gels, this gel does not runny and is so thick that it doesn't move even if you put it on your nails and lay them down. It is a very useful gel to have because it can be used in a variety of ways, such as creating three-dimensional patterns and attaching crystals and other parts. This art gel is perfect for creating the wavy nails shown here. If you don't have this gel, you can probably get good results by using a gel with a similar texture to this art gel. But if you use a gel with a runny texture like icing gel, you may be able to make brush marks, but the pattern will quickly disappear and it won't work well. So it's best to use a gel that is as hard as possible. First, spread the gel over the entire nail. Take a generous amount of gel onto the brush and put the base of the nail first. Then, spread it all over. After spreading it over the entire nail, draw a wavy pattern. Here is the brush I recommend. This brush is specially designed for gradation. It has a unique shape with fewer bristles from the halfway point to the tip. You can create a gradation by tapping the two colors repeatedly to blend them together with the tip of the brush. This bushy brush tip is perfect for creating wavy nails. Now, use this gradation brush to lightly stroke the surface of the nail and draw wavy lines. First, draw the letter S in the middle of the nail. If you move the brush perpendicular to the nail, you can create a more defined wavy pattern. Once you have drawn one stroke in the center, wipe off the gel on the brush with kitchen paper. Then, lightly loosen the brush so that the brush tip is shaggy before using it. In this way, you can clearly create the unevenness of the wavy pattern. In the same way, draw wavy patterns on the right and left sides of the nail. Wipe off the gel after each stroke and apply the next stroke. You can draw the same wavy lines all over the nails, or you can draw them in different directions in various places. Once you have drawn your desired wavy patterns, cure it. The art gel we use this time is a type that leaves no uncured gel behind, so this is complete. If you use a type of gel that leaves behind uncured gel, wipe it off with ethanol to complete the process. How was wavy nails with a beautiful wavy pattern? With just these two items, art gel and a gradient brush, you can create beautiful flowing patterns on any nail base, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.